Right, let's talk gutters. They might not be the most exciting part of your home, but they play a vital role in keeping it safe and sound. Welcome to Clark's Cleaning and Home Services channel. You see, gutters are designed to channel rainwater away from your house, preventing a host of potential problems. Not the most glamorous job, but trust me, it's crucial. When gutters get clogged with leaves, twigs, and other debris, they can't do their job properly. This can lead to water overflowing and causing damage. Gutters are your home's first line of defense against water damage. By directing water away from your roof and foundation, they help prevent leaks, mold growth, and structural issues. Imagine this. It rains, water pours off your roof, and your gutters are clogged. The water has nowhere to go but over the sides, potentially causing serious damage. Where's that water going? Not down the drain pipe, that's for sure. Instead, it spills over, seeping into your roof, walls, and even your foundation. Instead, it overflows, potentially damaging your roof, walls, foundation, you name it. Over time, this can lead to costly repairs and even compromise the structural integrity of your home. Water damage is a nightmare, folks. It can cause mold, mildew, and rot, which are not only unsightly, but also pose health risks. Cleaning your gutters regularly saves you a whole heap of trouble and money in the long run. By keeping them clear, you ensure that water flows freely and is directed away from your home, protecting it from potential damage. Winter can be tough on your gutters. Leaves, twigs, and other debris accumulate, creating a blockage nightmare. Plus, freezing temperatures can cause ice dams, leading to gutter damage and even roof leaks. That's why spring cleaning is so important. It's your chance to clear out the winter mess and ensure your gutters are in tip-top shape for the rainy season ahead. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Before you tackle those gutters, let's gather your tools. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. A sturdy ladder is a must-have. Safety first, always. Get yourself some heavy-duty gloves to protect your hands from sharp debris. A small trowel or garden scoop is perfect for scooping out gunk. A garden hose with a spray nozzle will help flush out the remaining debris. And finally, a bucket for collecting all the muck you'll be removing. Safety first. We can't stress this enough. Safety is paramount when working at heights. Always prioritize your well-being. Always have someone hold the ladder for you. It's a simple yet crucial step. 2 hands on the ladder at all times, no exceptions. This ensures stability. Wear shoes with good grip to prevent slips. Proper footwear is essential. And if you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to call in a professional. It's worth it. It's better to be safe than sorry. Your safety is the top priority. Step-by-step gutter cleaning. Cleaning your gutters is an essential task to maintain the health of your home. Neglecting this can lead to water damage, foundation issues, and even pest infestations. So let's dive into the process. Right, let's get down to business. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary tools. A sturdy ladder, safety gloves, a small trowel, a bucket, and a garden hose. Safety first. Here's your step-by-step guide to gutter cleaning. First, gather your tools and ensure everything is within reach. This will save you time and effort as you move along. First, position your ladder securely. Make sure it's on a flat, stable surface to avoid any accidents. Always have someone nearby to hold the ladder if possible. Start at one end of your house and work your way around. This systematic approach ensures you don't miss any sections. Second, using your gloved hands or a small trowel, scoop out the debris from the gutters. Leaves, twigs, and dirt can accumulate and cause blockages. Be thorough and remove as much as possible. Pay special attention to corners and downspout areas where debris tends to gather. Third, once the gutters are clear, use your garden hose to flush out any remaining dirt and debris. This helps ensure that water can flow freely through the system. Start from the end closest to the downspout and work your way back. This method helps push any remaining debris towards the downspout for easy removal. Fourth, check the downspout for blockages. A clogged downspout can cause water to back up and overflow the gutters. If it's clogged, use the hose to flush it out or a plumber's snake to dislodge the blockage. Be patient and thorough to ensure the downspout is completely clear. Finally, repeat the process for all the gutters around your house. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and keep your home in top shape. Happy cleaning! Common problems and solutions. While cleaning, you might encounter some common gutter issues. Don't panic, we've got you covered. Clogged downspouts. As mentioned earlier, a plumber's snake or a hose with good water pressure can usually clear these blockages. Leaks. Small leaks can often be sealed with gutter sealant. For larger leaks or holes, you might need to replace a section of the gutter. Sagging gutters. This indicates loose brackets. Tighten existing brackets or install new ones to fix the problem. Year-round gutter maintenance. Once your gutters are sparkling clean, it's all about maintenance to prevent future headaches. Regular maintenance ensures that your gutters continue to function properly, directing water away from your home and preventing potential damage to your roof, walls, and foundation. Neglecting this can lead to costly repairs down the line. Regular checks are crucial. Inspect your gutters a couple of times a year, especially after autumn when leaves have fallen. Remove any debris that may have accumulated. This simple task can prevent blockages that cause water to overflow and damage your home. It's also a good idea to check your gutters after any major storm, as high winds can blow additional debris into them. Trim overhanging branches. Overhanging branches are a prime source of debris. Leaves, twigs, and even small branches can fall into your gutters, causing blockages. By keeping these branches trimmed back, you can significantly reduce the amount of debris that ends up in your gutters, making your maintenance tasks easier and less frequent. Consider installing gutter guards. Gutter guards act as a barrier, preventing leaves and debris from entering your gutters in the first place. While they do require cleaning too, it's less frequent and less messy than cleaning the entire gutter. Gutter guards come in various types, including mesh screens, foam inserts, and brush filters, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. So there you have it. Gutter cleaning might not be the most exciting DIY task, but it's essential for protecting your home. By keeping your gutters clean and well maintained, you can prevent water damage, avoid costly repairs, and ensure that your home remains in good condition. Plus, a little effort now can save you a lot of hassle in the future. Get those gutters sorted, and you'll be thanking yourself when the rain starts pouring. Clean gutters ensure that rainwater is properly directed away from your home, preventing leaks and water damage. It's a small task that makes a big difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Stay tuned for more helpful advice to keep your home in top shape year-round.